a quick tutorial for you where I show you how to put your video and your keyword in your free list of 25 auto embeds. So this sheet is just how you're going to get it. I open up at Google Docs or Google Sheets, docs.google.com. If you open it up, it should open up in Chrome automatically with that. If not, go to docs.google.com and open it manually from there. So what we're going to do first is we're going to get your video. So whichever video you want to use the auto embeds on, you can use it as many times as you want, but right after the watch question v equals, there should be this. You're going to stop right before the ampersand, copy that, and we're going to put that in all of these links at once, and I'm going to show you a quick way to do that. You're going to edit, find and replace. Right now I have YouTube ID in. You're going to find all of those, and you're going to replace it with the video ID I just showed you. So hit replace all. 25 instances replaced, so that's a success. Now we're going to move the keywords. We're going to get the keyword of your choice. 14 of these you're able to use the keyword of your choice, which that makes it a little, even more powerful. So we're going to do the same thing. Edit, find and replace your keyword. And since my video is about McDonald's, no, don't put a dash between each one. Don't put any apostrophes or anything like that. Replace all. So 14 of these videos are going to not only have your video, but it's also going to have your keyword in the URL. So from there, you're done. For example's sake, let's take one of these. Check it out. There we go. There is our video. That's one of the auto embeds. It'll do that for whichever video you put in there. So there you go. You're ready to go. Like I said, go ahead and do that and start getting these indexed. I'll follow up with an email on helping you get these indexed.